Welcome back on my channel and into another vlog. This one's going to be a weekend vlog. As you saw on the previous video, my apartment got flooded, so we're currently in the midst of rebuilding, deconstructing, organizing, and decluttering everything. So I thought I would bring you guys along for a productive weekend. I'm actually starting this video on Thursday, 3 p.m. I'm gonna go onto a outdoor walk and just spend time outside. It's so beautiful and sunny. I think it's actually like 10 or 12 degrees outside, which is very unexpected for March in Canada. So I'm gonna just, enjoy the weather while it lasts and bring you guys along. Wanted a big American breakfast, so I made sausage, potato, put on some cottage cheese, eggs, bacon, and an orange. That like so big, it feels like half of my plate. Good morning, happy Saturday. I didn't vlog much yesterday, but I did like some plant shopping and some garden prepping, so I'm gonna show you that. But today is a big day where we're going to put everything that was like damaged in the flood in the trash, aka like the floors and the floor ceilings and stuff. Like, it's so messy. As you can see, everything had to be removed, and we're currently on like on cement floor. So yeah, we're going to do a big old cleaning and going to put that into a place near my house that's like trash or recycling. So we're gonna do that. It's currently 12, so I'm gonna make myself a coffee and then we're going to go do that right away.